So we decided to rent one of those little like riverboat things.
Până la primul pod, pardon, și veniți înapoi, facem jumătate de oră. Și să nu stați pe mijlocul apei, mergeți pe dreapta la urcare și pe dreapta la coborâre, ok? Ok.
Go get our workout in. And Hara was steering before with this thing, but he wasn't steering very well. And so I took over because, you know, boys can't drive.
No, hi.
So we just went on those little like boat things. And I totally worked out my legs, so leg day, everybody. But we are now going to go get segafredo, which is this dessert place. They actually have segafredo zanetti in the States as well. I actually saw it in Miami when I was there, which Miami was awful. I hated it. I had a Cuban sandwich and I was I was sick for 3 freaking days. He's a banana. You don't even know his name. That's what he said. Spuneți-mi, dragii mei, cum a fost pe barcă cu condusul meu? Am fost rău de rău. Gen, ce se întâmplă pe vlog, stă pe vlog. Nu-i așa, Hora?
Da.
Translation for English speakers. What happens on the vlog stays on the vlog. Right, Bia? Yeah. So, here is the Orthodox Cathedral. I was actually baptized right there. Like inside of it, not like out here on the street. I think it's like, what is it, 11 o'clock at night? It's 11 o'clock at night, and we're gonna go eat pizza and hopefully some tiramisu, because we've been saying we're gonna make tiramisu for the past 4 freaking days. Anyways, it's a crosswalk, and she's old ladying me. She's like holding my elbow like this, you know, because I'm the dumb one. It's because I'm blonde.
Yeah, you are.
But I won't be blonde for long, so I'll stop being stupid in a little bit, right? He's known me since 1st grade, and like, tell me, what do you think my like life evolution has been like? How, have I gotten better, or how was I as a kid? Oh,
Live it like that.
So now he puts up with me. That's what he said. Bia is Snapchatting me to her Romanian friends. I think some of you actually follow my YouTube channel. Shout out to Ale and Teo. Oh, it's really funny actually, because these people over here across the street are looking at me like I'm a psycho. But it's okay, because I speak English and they probably don't. I mean, they might. They probably do, actually. But it's cool. It's Gucci. This is what my sister does all the time. She's like, it's Gucci. And I'm like, Annabelle, no. Oh, okay, so this theater here, they were playing the Titanic about 20 years ago. They played the Titanic there.
Wow.
And my mom said that it was raining one day while she was pregnant with me, and she had to like get out of the rain, so she went to go see Titanic. Like, that's how she saw Titanic. It's actually really cool. We are in the centro.
In the centro. We are in the centro. No,
So, ciao.
ciao. Super, super. Ciao. Ci vediamo.
Pa,
Ci
somn
vediamo.
ușor. Să te culci la o oră rezonabilă.
Așa, măcar pe la 1. Da. No.
So Segafredo was not serving us for half an hour. Not us, we weren't sitting there. So we're gonna go get McDonald's, because that's what we do, we go get McDonald's at night. right. Oh shit, the Coke. The Coke fell. The Coke fell. Hang on. Hang on. It's okay. And the usual fries. McDonald's. So, disclaimer for this video, it is not sponsored by McDonald's, and my channel is also not sponsored by McDonald's. But I do like it, because I don't have Chick-fil-A here, so McDonald's. On a completely different side note, McDonald's should totally sponsor me. McDonald's, if you're watching this, sponsor me, sponsor my channel. I love your fries, and I will occasionally eat the rest of your food as well. So, I ordered a pie, and they didn't put the pie in the bag. So I think we're gonna try and make the tiramisu tonight. Labby's in there, she's like, I asked you guys to look if they gave you everything. I was like, right. Thumbs down, McDonald's. Thumbs down.